How to check your watch history on Twitter. You want to first go ahead and open up your Twitter account. Once that has been opened, we want to go ahead and click on your profile picture on the top left-hand corner, and that's going to bring over to your profile. You want to click on the profile, and that will be into your profile account. From here, you can go over to tweets and replies, and now you can get an access of all the previous history tweets that you have replied to. And if you go over to liked, you can also see the previous history of all the tweets that you have liked. So there are one way of seeing your history. However, if you want to see more than that, then what you want to do is go ahead and go to this page again. Now you want to scroll down and click on settings and support. Scroll down even further. And then from here, we want to click on settings and privacy. Now from here, you want to click your account, which is the first option. And then now it says download an archive of your data, which is the third option we want to go ahead and click on. That's so essentially what you want to do is go ahead and verify your password, log into your account, and then request the data download from Twitter for you to see all of your data and your watch history and everything you've done on your Twitter account. And the once Twitter gives you an archive of all your data that you're going to be able to see, your previous watch histories and every single video that you have watched in your Twitter account.